Welcome, my perfectly imperfect friends, to my garden. Today I want to do a little update because I just got a package in the mail that I want to open up for you guys. But I'm going to tell you what it is beforehand because I want to show you guys all the other ones I have and how they're coming along in my garden in Zone 10 here in Florida. So let's get to it. Guys, this is the passion fruit, the last ones I put in. They was the one I did the last video, unboxing video on. It's the red passion fruit. I had buy one get one free, so I got a total of 3 because this one came with 2 in the container. I separated them and put them in a pot, a starter pot, till the roots got more stronger, and then I put them into the ground right here. Put one on this side. See, it got a lot of leaves now, and I put the other one on this side. It's still doing good. It's not as big as that one, but it's doing fantastic. This is the red passion fruit. I put it on this trellis right here because I did not need a greenhouse, and I paid $60 for this, so I had to do something with it, so I turned it into a trellis for these passion fruit. I'm very happy with it so far. Hopefully it stands up to the weight. We'll find that out later, so stay tuned for that. Let's move on to the next one. Guys, my next passion fruit is back here in the backyard. And it's the same one, the red passion fruit. I got it the same day. It just one came with 1 in it, and the other one came with 2 inside of it, and I separated. This is the one that came single by itself. I put it in the backyard on this arch, so hopefully it grows and covers it like my other passion fruits, which I'm gonna show you right after this. So this, let me move my shadow out right here. It's got a lot of leaves on it now, and it's even more better than the ones up front. But they all are growing very well, and I can't wait to see it cover this arch, because it'll cover it before you know it once it's get going. Sometimes they have a slow start, but once it get going, boom, it ends up like the next one I'm finna show you. Okay, back here past the pond, we have some more passion fruit. This is my yellow passion fruit, and this is the possum purple passion fruit on this side. They're together, so since the root's on this side, the purple fruit might be on that side. However, it's gonna be a mixture, a melody of purple, possum purple, and yellow passion fruit, and it just took over this vine. I wish I would have only put 1. That's why I only put 1 on the one you just seen, because look at this. It's crazy. Crazy. But I learned my lesson, and it don't took all this over, and it haven't been in there really a year. It grows super fast, and it's hard to keep up with if you take your eyes off it. So that's what I was saying about the front up there. They get nice beautiful flowers on here. I also have another flower inside of here that's on this red basket. That red basket, that's also a vine. Hey, Salem. Salem. Hey. You ain't gonna come and say hey to mommy? Yeah, I hear you. You're outside cat. Just chilling. But guys, when you do this, just put 1 passion fruit per vine. 1. Learn from my lesson, because they catch it on everything. This right here is catching on now. Is my trumpet vine tree. Beautiful trumpet flowers. And it's trying to choke it out. Gonna take out all the little leaves from it. Let me take it. And it's just trying to come back with leaves. So that's one thing that you have to worry about with this passion fruit. A fast growing vine like this. When you look up, it be everywhere. Taking over everything. And it's holding on to this one like this. I need to get it, because if I don't get it, I'll forget. And then the poultry will be choked out. Y'all, I ate my mustard greens. I just picked them down. Okay. Right here. Right up on here is my next passion fruit, and that is the giant passion fruit. And this right here is my most prized passion fruit. It's the first one I got, and I love it up here because see how every season some die back. It's easy for me to just pull it and bring it down. It dies off the old leaves and the new leaves come up top. And I have one actually over here, and I have one actually right here. So that's the giant passion fruit. I wish they had flowers, but they already flowered. Look back in the other passion fruit video, you would see the flowers. And right here, it choked this flower out. Took off all the leaves, but the bud's still there. Trying to pull it off. Did a little bit of damage, but hopefully it'll come back strong. So that's the giant passion fruit in its growth. They don't sell passion fruit in the stores here where I live. The only way you'll be able to get them, at least not around me. The only way you could get them is online, and the price is ridiculous. So that's what made me start growing all this wonderful. Now guys, it's time for the unboxing of my new passion fruit. I'm gonna tell you what it is, I'll tell you a little bit about it. Let's get to that. Okay, I got this passion fruit in the mail yesterday. So as soon as I got it out the mail, I had to do a video or something on it yesterday evening, because I didn't want to leave it in there too long, because I had to give it water. So I took it out the box then yesterday. So here's that clip of when I received this passion fruit, and then I'm gonna show you guys where I'm gonna put it at. I made a whole new spot and everything. It is so beautiful. You do not want to miss this. So check out this clip. With foam, plastic, let me take it out so you can get a good look at it. Oh, it definitely got a. Oh, okay. Oh, they taped it so it can stay up. Take a close look at this. The leaves, pattern. You take the tape off now. This is our Maypop passion fruit. You know I have the yellow, I have the purple, I have the giant, I have the red. Now I have the Maypop, guys. Adding on to my collection. I just put my new side in over there. And y'all seen the one I put on the greenhouse and the arches back there. And this right here, I made another new spot right here on the side that I'll show you guys. Make sure you hit that like button and the subscribe button and the bell button and hit all so that you'll be able to get the video when I put it out. Now, come camera lady. We don't have any algae in it, which is good. It's loose. What's that? Was that another one on the side that didn't make it or something? Trying to figure out that extra leaf. Must was two and one didn't make it. Or the leaves fell off it. But overall, guys,
I think it's two.
it's two. Okay.
Cause there's a green part to this right here. It's green here.
If it's two, I'm gonna let it sit for a while before I do anything with it. Let it grow up and get thicker, bigger. I don't know how the leaves supposed to look different. Varies from the other passion fruits. But other passion fruits leaves do not look like this one. But it's the Maypop. So we'll see. It's like got like 4 leaves, and the other one's not, leaf pattern not shaped like that. Like a little different. So we're gonna cross our fingers, and I'm gonna wait a few days. I'm gonna wait like a week or so before I get this in, and then I'll update you guys on where I'm at with all my passion fruit. I do a passion fruit update video so you can see all the passion fruits on all the arches, which they don't clammed over so beautifully and full. And the new ones I just put in, I'm gonna show you those ones. And I'm also gonna show you how I put this one in. Okay, you guys, see this part right here? I just added the arch. Let me give you a closer look. Okay, guys, this is the new area I set up for my new passion fruit. And I'm so excited and anxious to show you. I did a whole lot of work to this. Whole lot of time. It took me about 3 days to do this. 3 days. So let's check it out. What I did was I added in this arch here and put in some flowers on each side. And on this arch is gonna be some trumpet vine that I'm gonna have put up here, just like the trumpet vine going up the side of the house right there. And that's only less than a year old. It's growing so fast. I put seeds in, so you know seeds take a little longer. I have it on that arch there. I started this one like a year ago, and it's all the way up there. And I have a rose on this side of the house, and I put these in around the same time. And I think I put this one in a little bit before I put the rose in. And it should clam all the way up, hopefully. Cross our fingers. But I put this arch in, I put the tarp down so I'm gonna have the rocks, landscaping rocks going across there for the weeds. And I put in some new flowers. The caliper panel here. And this is where I'm gonna put the new passion fruit on this arch right here. Let's go up in here. So I could show you guys. I have to make sure I have a little seating area so I could sit. It'd be nice and shady here. Here come that other basket, the smaller one that I had made. My flower display baskets. And I showed you guys how to make this online too. I put that there just for a little pop of beauty. And I put the tarp for the weeds, and I'm gonna cover that with rock. And this right here is my peach tree. It is dormant now. It's gonna be waking up soon after winter. And this one right here is my cherry tree, Barbados cherry tree, sitting here. And I'm gonna have the passion fruit coming out there. Let me get over here so you can get a better shot. Butterflies love lantanas, and they be all around everywhere. But hopefully I'm gonna have it going up here, and it should take over all of this, take over the fence here, and it has all this to grow. So hopefully we get that. So I have all this room plus the fence behind it to grow as big as it like. And eventually I'm gonna have this whole fence. I'm seeding some more passion fruit right now, some different types. I'll show you that when I get to that area. So I want to thank everyone for staying to the end of this video, sharing my joys and passion with me, and I'm gonna see you later.